How far would you go just because someone told you to? This famous experiment really pushed that question. Today, we're exploring a big idea: following orders versus listening to your own conscience. So get this. In Milgram's most famous experiment, a staggering 65% of people just did what they were told. They were told to give what they thought were painful, even dangerous electric shocks to another person. See, the psychologist Stanley Milgram wanted to see if normal people could do awful things under orders. Okay, so the whole setup was basically a clever trick. It was designed to feel totally real. And people were paid just for showing up, which made them feel kind of obligated to participate. Plus, it was all happening at Yale University. That made it seem official and trustworthy, you know? So, when people got nervous and wanted to stop, the experimenter had specific phrases to pressure them. These 4 commands were used one after the other to really crank up the pressure. This shows just how torn people were. They were caught between following orders and their own morality. And the key thing is, obeying wasn't easy. You could see they were incredibly stressed out. Because people got so upset, it kicked off a huge debate about whether this experiment was even ethical. And wow, people were really divided on this. You had supporters on one side and critics on the other. Critics basically said, you just can't put people through that kind of stress. It's just not right. And to make things worse, about 3/4 of the people weren't even told the truth right away. So, many went home actually believing they'd hurt someone bad. This became a huge ethical problem. The fallout from this was massive. It actually changed the rules for psychological research forever. Milgram argued his study helped explain the banality of evil, how ordinary people follow terrible orders. So it really leaves us with a tough question. In that situation, what would you do?